Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating Chrome and confirming basic settings so nothing obvious blocks the original content feature. Once done, open Chrome, //settings/languages and make sure the site language and offer to translate pages options are set correctly. You also disable extensions that modify page content, ad blockers, or translation helpers because they often interfere. Do this now so you can test a clean browser state. It narrows the cause and speeds up the next, more detailed steps. Next, you perform deeper checks to restore show original behavior. Go to Chrome, //flags and reset any modified flags, especially those mentioning translation or language. Clear the specific site data via lock icon site settings, remove cached files, then reload the page to force a fresh fetch. Make sure JavaScript is enabled and there are no blocked resources. If the problem persists, create a fresh profile to isolate profile-level corruption. This separates data issues from browser-wide faults. Finally, you restart Chrome and test the page in incognito to rule out cached extensions. If Show Original still fails, reset Chrome settings to defaults or reinstall Chrome to remove persistent corruption. Before reinstalling, export bookmarks and passwords. If problems continue, open DevTools Network and Console to look for blocked resources or translation script errors. This often reveals the why. One key tip: create a new Chrome profile. If the feature works there, migrate data and retire the corrupted profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.